The best solutions work in harmony with nature's forces, working and coexisting perfectly. Buildings are the spaces we inhabit, and they should breathe with us. But in the world of today, people spend 90% of their lives inside man-made structures, and these buildings account for 40% of all energy consumption today. So we need to use smart technologies to ensure a sustainable world of tomorrow. At WindowMaster, we develop sustainable solutions that improve the indoor climate for people by incorporating the forces of nature. These intelligent solutions bring fresh air into buildings for the benefit of both the indoor and outdoor environment. We do this by combining the simplicity of nature with the intelligence of the Internet of Things. It all starts with sensors. These sensors gather information on how good or bad the indoor climate is, while also collecting data on the current outdoor conditions. Then, algorithms help our controls decide how much fresh air the building and its people need. We are inspired by the problems we try to solve, and we've been doing this since 1990. Headquartered in Copenhagen, Denmark, with a Scandinavian perspective on clean tech, we are a global company with 6 sales offices in Europe and 2 in North America. Our high-quality solutions are manufactured in Germany and implemented in iconic buildings worldwide. We want to create the best indoor climate solutions in the world, and we want to do it in a sustainable way, engineered with nature.